basically this thing didn't work, but that was not the deal. Not the deal. So when I got the back out and yeah, when I start looking around and poking and yeah, found out that it's not good. It's not good. So the first thing that I noticed though, which I guess in my case it's good, is this thing right here. As you can see, look at that. This is like, yeah, you guys can see, didn't even have a time to rust or anything. Brand spanking new brake discs in the back, and seems like brand new brake pads. This is awesome, but there is something that is not good, and the thing is, like, these tires, they got shredded, but they got shredded in a way where I have no explanation, and someone needs to help me out and explain me how these tires got shredded in a way where yeah, I don't know. I'll show the tires in a little bit. Problem, or the heated damage that I was talking about, is right there on the bottom, and let's see if you guys can tell, but there you go. You guys can see that right there. So this guy right there, whoop, right there, he got bent. He got bent, like bent. It's, yeah, I have no explanation for that too. I mean, I kind of have a theory, but you guys can tell me. My guess is when whoever sent this car into the ditch, because it was in the ditch, seems like it, with a lot of grass and stuff, or maybe someone drove it on the track. But this guy right here, yeah, see that? This is like unreal. So my theory about this thing, because you guys can see, and I hope you guys can see, but it's bent in a way where it seems like, of my understanding, is when the car got launched, tow truck or whoever came and pulled the car out, it came with big hooks, you know, and chains and stuff, and instead of hooking up to this guy right here, they end up, you know, throwing the hook on that guy right there. So throw a hook right there, throw a hook on the other side right there, you know, boom, and then start dragging the car out. So that's why we have scratches right here on the bottom, and then that's why this thing is bent, you know, and it's bent in a way that, you know, nothing really seems like being hit or anything, or yeah, and you guys can see in the front right there, nothing is scratched up, so good everywhere. So yeah, that's my only explanation, that when it got dragged out from the ditch, they ended up damaging those crossbars, the rear supports, something like that. I don't even remember what was the word of those, but yeah. And then the tires, like I said, tires, man. This is, I was thinking like I have like, you know, good tires so we can do some, you know, drifts here and there, you know, a little bit, burn them out, you know. So check this out. I really don't know. Yeah, like you guys can see, like it's like not good, it's not like brand new or whatever, but still have some threads here that we can burn up, like I said, you know, just drive it during gate inspection and stuff like that. But look at it, like it got, like right here, just this point, it got shredded, just this little section, you know what I mean? Like, how do you manage to do that? And looking at over here, like if you do something like that, that should be, you know, all burnt rubber or something. No, nothing. It's crazy. Other side, same thing. It's just burned up. Just this little section. I don't understand. Like how, why, how? Yep. So I have the parts and everything. Again, I have to wait for a little bit to get them all, you know, ordered and all that. So it's a trailing arm. I don't know what you're trailing with that, but yeah, trailing arm. Yeah. Yep. I don't know what to say. So it's pretty crazy. I have no explanation. If someone from all of you guys with the knowledge that you guys have, because me dum dum over here, you know, me dum dum, hello dum dum, you know what I mean? Like how? Like look at it. Like how do you, like, it seems like someone came in with a knife and like or something, I don't know, but it's shred. It doesn't seem like to have like that much bad camber and stuff, or I don't know, like I'm saying camber, but I don't know what's even the camber, but I'm talking about, you know, when the wheel is not straight, it's more like out like that. So if you guys know, let me know. My theory is this car got launched somewhere in a ditch, and then in the middle of that ditch there's a concrete pad. I don't know, bro. I don't know. That concrete pad was wide enough where, you know, the car got stuck in, and then the tires ended up, you know, dragging on the edge of that concrete pad, and then all that got eaten up. But how? And like I said, me dum dum, don't like take it seriously because I have no idea. Me dum dum. So yeah. But let's stop mumbo jumbo and gumbo, because I think it's time. I think it's time to put this last piece of the puzzle. Send it to the bushes. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to get this thing on a budget so we can actually, you know, modify it and you know, make some fun project, so we can flip it and then get a different car, better projects, you know, and grow. So we'll see if that's gonna happen. There is an upgrade piece of this, and the upgrade piece is like $200. And I'm like, you're not gonna even be able to sit. And what is a trailer part doing? I'm not pulling a trailer with that, so beats me. Again, put it down in the comments if you guys know what I'm talking about, because I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's see who, how, what, because honestly it seems pretty good. I'm trying to do this on a budget, like I keep saying, on the budget. Yeah, because I keep saying, you know, if I can do it, you guys can do it. And you know, if I show up with like 20, 30, 40 grand, 100 grand and start doing, you know, Lambos and stuff, you're like, what is wrong with this guy? Can't, you know, put, you know, 100 grand in a car, especially on a broken one, you know what I mean? So we're gonna start this process slow and steady and see how far we can get it, or see how deep we're gonna go into the hole, especially with the inflation right now growing up and all that. And yeah, it's getting crazy, I'm not gonna lie. So again, budget, and right now my budget is going through the hole. That's another story, another video, and then show you my target price. At least from Kelly Blue Book, that's my target price, you know, for a normal, non-upgraded, non-turbocharged, and not 500 wheel horsepower and all of that goodies, not with the M3 package, you know, bumper, front bumper, hood, side skirts. Yeah, we'll see. For right now, it's not looking pretty good. What was it? and boom. This is how, I don't know, it's me, maybe the tire looks more in now. It actually shouldn't be like that, should be more out. But either way, this car's gonna go on alignment. It needs an alignment for sure. I mean, I kinda got it pretty good, I think, front and back, but yeah, it is what it is. That was the final piece, or at least that's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping we got it all good, buttoned up. Now, hopefully, in the next video, hopefully I'll get the bumpers. I mean, I already have them right up there, but those are the fiberglass ones, and not good, not good. Like I keep saying, don't ever get a fiberglass one. I don't know, right? So, everything's good in the back. In the front, still need to know this bad boy buttoned up, tightened up, and all of those goodies. You know, the lights needs to be buttoned up, get fixed. I have new lights, I mean, have new bulbs. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. I don't know if you guys can feel it, but we're getting there. The tips, I still need to figure out how I'm gonna reroute the tips. If we cannot reroute the tips, then I'm gonna have to go and buy new exhausts. So yeah, that's gonna be an expense that I'm not really looking forward, because exhaust is exhaust. Well, I guess I can't really tell that, I can't really say that, you know, exhaust is exhaust, because, you know, exhaust makes, you know, good impression, I guess you can say. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to go and check out my other videos. One more time, I can do it, you guys can do it. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.